What's up YouTube, it's Matthew here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you all are going to follow along with me to do some follow-up calls. As you all know, the key is in the follow-up. The money is in the follow-up. So most of your wholesale deals will come from follow-up calls. These deals are from different probate leads and absentee leads that I need to follow up with in my wholesale real estate business. Make sure you kind of follow along on what I'm saying, coming back to different things we talked about in our last conversations and how I bring that up to the seller. If you all find value from this video, be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and let's head right into the call. Yeah, a lot of times they don't answer you all, and that's just part of the process. Hello, Peter?
At the tone, please record your message.
Hello, please leave a message.
Not available. Leave your message for
Still interested in selling? Please let us know whether we should take you off of our list or not. You can call us back at...
Hello.
Hey Alvin, this is Matthew. We spoke a month ago about your property in Blanchard. I know you were interested in selling that property. I just want to follow up with you and if you're still open to a cash offer.
Yeah, no, I haven't yet.
Okay.
So I'm still undecided.
Okay, what are you undecided about exactly?
I'm just undecided about the house right now. Trying to see, my proposition, with other housing and trying to, do what I have to do. So I just undecided.
Okay, so undecided whether you want to keep the house and stay in it yourself or move somewhere else?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Do you know approximately when you're looking, I guess, to make that decision by?
No, I'll probably have to get back with you and let you know.
Okay, sounds good.
No need.
Right, makes sense. Okay, well, I'll follow up with you in about a month or two.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye. So we finally spoke to someone, and a seller like this that is undecisive, don't waste a lot of time trying to follow up with them, because you can be going on for this for years. And so you can still keep them in your follow-up, but you can follow up with them every 2 months. It doesn't even have to be every month. And so, but you all make sure you just ask open-ended questions, give them a timeline, see if they have a timeline when they want to sell, and that can gauge their motivation to actually selling the property. If they don't give you a timeline, then the motivation is most likely super low. Or if they do give a timeline and it's super long, then obviously their motivation is not as high.
Hello.
Hey, this is Matthew. We spoke in June about your property on Maryland Drive in Chattanooga. I'm just following up. Yeah, how are you doing today?
Good, thanks. We do have a buyer for it though. We're about to close the end of this week.
Okay, so were you able to list it?
Yeah, we did.
Okay, so you listed it on the market and everything and found a buyer.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Traditional. Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you for the call back.
Yeah, for sure. Well, yeah, I'll take you off of our list now. I appreciate it.
All righty. Have a good day.
All right, you too. So with that person, obviously they're selling the property. You can follow up with them, just to make sure everything went right with the sale and they actually sold it, by the end of this week. So for example, I can check up with them sometime early next week to see, how the closing went and everything, because you never know, some things fall apart and, you can still get a deal that way. Hello, Dawn. This is Matthew. We spoke about your property on Kessler Lane. Just wanted to follow up with you about it and see where you guys are at now about it.
Well, I'm trying to get it cleaned out, and it's probably going to be another month.
Okay.
And then, but we're working on cleaning it out.
Okay. Got you. And how is everything else going? The business? I know you guys have the restaurant and everything.
Fine.
Okay. Perfect. Well, are you still going to list it, or are you still trying to go more the investor route?
I still don't know. It's just kicking around in my mind.
Okay. All right. Well, yeah. Well, I'll follow up with you in about a month. See where you guys are at, and then we can go from there.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
Sounds good.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So we got 3 live calls in a row. So let's go. But yeah, this is another case where the seller is still indecisive. And so with this person, I still follow up with them every month or 2. So because I know from their, what they're saying, that they're not as motivated as some other leads. And so, I don't chase after it. I just check in every now and then, see where they're at. But still ask them, if they have a timeline, or if, they have new insights on what they're deciding to do. And that's just very important to ask those open-ended questions, and just to gauge their motivation at every stage of your follow-up. Hi, Yvonne. Hello, Yvonne. This is Matthew. We spoke. Yeah, we spoke in June about your property on Tally Road.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah, I'm just following up. I know you guys were going to court about, going through probate and everything, and having, your sister go through that. I just want to just follow up with you all just to see how that is going.
Okay, I do have a lawyer.
Okay, are you?
Yes, he's supposed to be working on stuff for me, so that's why I hadn't called you back. I called the man about not in uniform church, so I can drop them off with, so they can get the hug over on, right? Hold on a minute, please.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So are you should your attorney is working on it?
Yes, he is.
Okay. Do you know how far along the process you all are at?
No, not at this point. He don't. So I'm just waiting to hear from him.
Okay. And how's everything going with your sister with that?
Not good.
Okay. Has she been in contact with the?
No, I don't even talk to her no more. So, I'm just trying to let the court handle it.
Okay. Have they been in contact with her though, your attorney?
I think he has. He said he has. Well, he been talking to her attorney.
Okay. And has your lawyer given you any time frame when all this would be, done with and everything?
I'd be glad when he do, because it's putting a toll on me. So I'm trying to be patient and just wait.
Okay. And I guess right now you're paying every month for that?
Yes, I am.
Okay. And so I guess you keep on paying every month, and he still hasn't given you a time frame when all of this will be over.
Nope.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, yeah. Well, I'll just keep on following up. I'll see if there's anything I can do to, make it more.
Speed the process
just to speed the process up, expedite it.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I'll get back in touch with you and let you know.
All right. Sounds good. I appreciate it.
Okay, then.
All right.
All right.
All right, you all. So that was just me following up with some sellers. Some of those were sellers that I haven't even spoken with, but they called the number off my yellow postcard, and I still haven't heard from them. Some of them were people that, as you all can hear, I already developed a relationship. I already know their situation. Sometimes I would ask questions about other things, and I just gauged the emotion of my seller. So there was that one conversation with Don about his property, and I mentioned something about his restaurant, but it seemed like he didn't really want to talk about it. So I just completely went back to the house. And that's what you all have to do. You have to gauge the emotion, read the temperature of the room. All right, you all. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, check out the different tools down below if you're interested. All right, talk to y'all later. Peace.